If you decide to purchase your own domain names, which is what I recommend, you're going to go to the first section in the drop-down, and I'm going to suggest you buy 4 different domains. First thing you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page, and there's going to be 4 different domains here. These domains are what you want to model after. This first one is for the listing site that is going to be built for you. The second one is for sort of a we buy houses for cash type of site. The third one is rent to buy buyer site. This is for buyers with doing lease options. And this last one is the rent to buy seller site, where we're trying to get people to work with us as sellers. So model them after these names. You can come up with anything you like. Some people like to put in, states or the city or whatever that they're working in. Some people like to stay more generic with what they're doing, and you can do anything you want here. Just make it easy to remember. I try to not use dashes or numbers. Try to make it easy to read and easy to spell out and as short as you possibly can, which is a challenge sometimes these days. So what you're going to do is then come back up here to the place where you purchase these domain names and type in a domain name that you want to use. Always pick a .com and then do a search to see if that domain name is available. And what a surprise, this Wofovamamaki is available. So let's say I wanted that one, and I can add it to my shopping cart here, and then all I have to do is click on continue to registration to purchase it, and it'll take me through this process of filling out my contact information. I'm going to scroll down the page and continue. You're going to want to fill out that contact information. When you get to the second part, pick 1 year instead of 2 and click on next, and it'll take you to the next part and do the standard registration. Don't need to spend money for this extra stuff, so click on next and activate your domain. Don't buy any of this junk. Just click on next. And when you get down to the bottom, it's going to ask you to put in your contact information, and it's going to cost you $9.99 plus, I think, maybe 20 cents for tax. And then you can just do your checkout. Once you do that, take the domain names that you've purchased, and it's going to ask you to set up an account, by the way, with and it's going to give you a username, or it's going to give you a login name and a password. So once you have all that stuff and you've got your domain names, then you come down here and you plug it in to this. Don't put in the www, just put in the domainname.com and plug them into these different things here, and then put your GoDaddy account number and your password here if you would, and that way we'd have access to it to help you with your name servers later. But if you do it this way, we don't have to change your name servers at all. It's already done automatically for you, and when your purchase is complete, just scroll down and enter the domain names you just purchased into the ones you want to use, and then hit after that's done, then you're going to hit the next step button. Now let me look up here. You don't have to put in your domain name and username if you want to do, but if we have it, then it kind of keeps it for safekeeping for you. So that's all you have to do if you're going to pick your 4 domains, and then go on to the next step. Thanks now.